thank you for your time for the meeting today. So let's start. Uh, could you could you please introduce yourself
Yeah,
for the
uh,
listeners?
yeah, I'm Jeff. I'm the founder of Learning Chain. Happy to be here with you guys, and KBW is great. We started building on Bitcoin Layer 1 since 2023, and we launched the Learning Chain mainnet in last year, February. And I think after 18 months of our network, we have achieved lots of great users, data, income from the chain. So yeah, that's the basic introduction about Learning Chain.
So Merlin Chain is positioning itself as a leading Bitcoin layer 2. So could you share the broader vision behind the project and what makes it different from existing approaches to scale?
Yeah, because Bitcoin is here for like 15 years, 16 years. Bitcoin is like the one crypto that everyone loves. And we think, there are lots of Bitcoin staying there, $2 trillion, not doing anything. And Bitcoin layer 1 is really hard to use. There's no app on layer 1. There's no like DeFi, games, AI on layer 1. So we're trying to scale the Bitcoin ability. We're trying to build a scaling solution for that. And I think right now, Merlin is definitely like the biggest ones with most users, with most transactions, TVLs, dApps for all Bitcoin layers. And the reason we're doing that is because we're trying to find more possibilities for Bitcoin, trying to make more money with Bitcoin, try to invest, on different opportunities with Bitcoin, trying to use, AI for Bitcoin investments, DeFi movements, all of that. We want to bring more possibilities for Bitcoin, and that's like the reason we're building this.
So one of your slogan, the reinvent Bitcoin, hold, earn, invest, has captured a lot of attention, right? So what does this vision really mean for users and the Bitcoin ecosystem, and how is Berlin working to make it a real?
Yeah, many people, they want to make money from crypto. And I believe holding Bitcoin is the easiest way. If you can hold your Bitcoin, you can make more money. So that's the hold for Bitcoin. And the earn part is before Merlin, there's no BTC5. And people, didn't realize you can earn more Bitcoin with your Bitcoin. So like this year, you have 10 Bitcoin. By using BTC5, next year, you will be having 11 Bitcoin. So that's like 10% yields based on Bitcoin. And next year, Bitcoin price will definitely be higher than this year, so you'll make money on that as well. So that's the earn part for the Bitcoin. And the last part is invest. We did the AI solution for Bitcoin to do investment with Bitcoin on different chains. So like today, if you see a meme from Solana, you can invest that in your Bitcoin. If you see a DeFi opportunity on Ethereum, you can invest your Bitcoin for that. And after you make some money, you sell all of that and come back as Bitcoin. So the users can actually get more and more Bitcoin by using the AI agent we develop for them. So I think hold, earn, and invest is the core narrative for Merlin Bitcoin holders. And the reason this is important for Merlin is when we have more income, when we have more users on Merlin chain, the Merlin price will be much, much higher. So I think that is beneficial for BTC holder and also for Merlin holder.
And can you describe specifically how the Bitcoin holders get the yield from your?
Yeah, right now MBTC is on 20 plus different chains like Solana, Sui, Ethereum, BNB chain. And when first you can use your Bitcoin to become LP on different DeFi protocol like Jupiter, Uniswap, Sui, Momentum. So becoming LP means you are staking your Bitcoin there, but you are earning whatever comes from the user transactions. And also like right now, Sui Foundation, Solana Foundation, all these big foundations, they're giving incentives for Bitcoin LP. So the yield is coming from user activities, but also coming from these foundation incentives. And MBTC, I think, is one of the most widely used Bitcoin on different chains. And that's why users can have yields with Merlin Bitcoin.
So they are using it as a liquidity.
Yes.
Let's move on to the next question. So on the technical side, Merlin combines ZK rollups with crowd proof mechanisms. So why did you decide to design this way, and how does this architecture balance security and scalability? And
yeah, I think it's pretty simple. Cheap, safe, and faster. Because on Bitcoin layer 1, it's slow. It takes like 10 to 20 minutes. And also it's expensive. And but it's safe. Bitcoin layer 1 is very, very safe. So Merlin is trying to do first, we want to get faster transactions. That's why right now we have about 300 TPS, which is higher than Ethereum. And also we want to have a safe network, which is the most important one. That's why we use ZK rollups. And also cheaper. Right now, if you do transactions on Merlin Chain, it's about $0.01. So it's much, much cheaper than Ethereum and Bitcoin. And I think that's the core value, behind the ZK rollups.
Then beyond the technology itself, what do you see as Merlin Chain's biggest strengths and that will help it stand out in the Bitcoin layer?
Yeah, first, from last year, there are not many Bitcoin layer 2s left. I think Merlin is one of the very few who is still there. The second is we are getting more and more income from BTC5. Like right now, we're working with many Nasdaq companies to manage their Bitcoin treasuries. We have billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin on Merlin Chain. We are generating more and more yields for them, but also we are making more commission fees on our end as well. So I think first thing is about to survive. If you can survive for longer term, we definitely believe our community will be stronger and stronger. And also, I believe Bitcoin ecosystem will always be there because Bitcoin is the one with longest history, and also people have most faith in Bitcoin. So I think building around Bitcoin will be successful. I think the key point here is to get more revenues for our team and also to build more innovative products for Bitcoin.
So can you share with us a little performance of your mainnet, the top deals, like data numbers?
Yeah. We launched last year, February. We got $4.9 billion TVL in 3 months. Right now, we're still managing about $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, from users, whales, institutions, companies. We have about 3-4 million users, Merlin Chain. We have about 500,000, something like that, transactions per day. So all these activities, all these fees will be good for Merlin Chain and also for the Merlin token.
That's interesting. The numbers. Okay. So move on to the next question. So Merlin has been actively building partnerships and community support. Right? So could you share some examples of how the ecosystem is growing and what role users or partners play in that role?
Yeah, because first I want to talk about BTC5. When we did BTC5 last year, we're the first one to bring this idea. People have different challenges. People from different countries, from West, from East, they challenge BTC5 can be safe and secure. But we have proved that, and we are accepted by many foundations and official teams like Solana, Ethereum, BNB Chain, Sway. So I think that is a huge breakthrough for us, because right now people talk about BTC5 and they don't think this is not safe anymore. They think BTC5 is good, it's safe. And also we're trying to get more partnerships, not only in crypto but also from the traditional financial markets. We have announcement with CIMG from Nasdaq. They are giving us $60 million worth of Bitcoin to manage. We are in talks with many other companies as well. We'll probably get $1 billion worth of Bitcoin by the end of this year with 3, 4, 5 different Nasdaq companies. So I think getting partnerships not only from Web3 crypto, but also from TradFi, from Wall Street is also very important for us as well.
And your community, many in the community are curious about Merlin's next steps. What should users expect in terms of features, campaigns, and opportunities to get?
Yeah, we're just about to launch our Wizard AI 2.0. I think AI is very important as well. Like, we are using Bitcoin to invest, but through AI. So if you want to do an arbitrage opportunity from Ethereum, you want to invest in memes on Solana, we encourage you to use the Merlin AI. And we are using AI to do all these transactions for you. So you don't need to understand what is Ethereum wallet, Solana wallet, what is this protocol, what is that protocol. AI will do all these transactions for you, and you make money to buy more Bitcoin to put back in your wallet. So I think AI will be one of the main goals we're trying to achieve in the next year or so. And also BTC5, we're trying to open up more ecosystem chains for our Merlin Bitcoin. And I think having AI and BTC institutions, BTC5 will be the two main goals for Merlin Chain.
So Merlin AI is taking care of my portfolio, list, asset, or mainnet?
Yeah, because you put your Bitcoin on Merlin, right? And we are using chain abstraction with AI. So you invest from Merlin Chain, but onto other chains like Base Chain, BSC, Solana, and many new chains. And when you down that investment, for example, you bought a meme coin, the meme coin goes up like 3 times, the AI will sell it for you and come back as Bitcoin. So you are getting more and more Bitcoin.
Is it really possible? I don't.
Oh,
It's really amazing.
We have already launched it. You can try it, Wizard.tech. Everyone can try it. It's already there.
That's really
Yeah, put in some Bitcoin and say, buy what meme from Solana, from Pump Fund. So your Bitcoin will be deducted by memes. And when it goes up, you can say sell that. And just tell the AI to sell that. It will sell it and come back as Bitcoin. It's already launched. Many users are using that, actually. Yeah.
like Korean overloads can easily use it too.
Yeah, just like typing like whatever you want to do. You don't need to understand like all this. Like this year when the Trump token was launched, right? Many users from Ernie Chain use Bitcoin to buy Trump. And the token goes up so high and they sell Trump to get more Bitcoin. That is on Twitter, like everywhere. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah. I think that's very useful because you're getting more and more Bitcoin. And
Just
easy.
one script,
Yeah.
they can do it everything.
Yeah. Just typing, what you want to do. Buy this, sell that. Yeah. Try it's Wizard.tech.
That's
Yeah.
really- So, and next question. So you're in Seoul. So why do you think Merlin Chain is an attractive project for foreign investors? I think Merlin AI is really interesting, but
Yeah.
but
Like many things we talked today, you seem surprised because I think Korean market hasn't got into the BTC area that much. So like all these products we brought, people don't know. So I think that's the potential there. We want to do more education. We want to do more campaign marketing to make users understand what is happening with Merlin, what is happening with all these BTC projects. So I think the potential here is huge. And also, right now we're listed on a few exchanges. We're trying to get more campaign and trading competition here. I do believe Bitcoin will be there for a long, long time, and I do believe Merlin will be there for a long, long time. So I think this is a very interesting market for us. We were here last year, and we'll definitely be here next year as well.
keep our eyes on your projects.
Yes, of course. Yes.
And this year is only one quarter left, right? So could you share Merlin Chain's like this year roadmap or the soon updates or news?
Yeah, we're getting more announcements from Nasdaq companies. So we'll be having more and more announcement about their BTC treasury, and to show the confidence of running Bitcoin, because right now many users are not very comfortable by transferring their token, their Bitcoin to Merlin to have more yield. And the second is we're trying to get more campaigns, more marketings with our AI, because clearly our AI is not that big yet, but it's very useful. So we want to get more users to use our AI to do all kinds of transactions and to help us to improve the product as well.
Lastly, do you have anything to keep for Korean users?
Yeah, because I'm in crypto, for a very long time. The only thing I learned is hold Bitcoin. So for me, I only hold Bitcoin and Merl token. And I just want to say, there are many, opportunities out there, but always remember to have some Bitcoin in your wallet to make some, yields on your Bitcoin. And eventually that could be very, very important for your portfolio investment.
Never sell the big.
Never sell Bitcoin.
That's it. So thank you for the interview today. That was really interesting. Impressive.
Thank you very much. Yeah, great to be here.